Hello, I'm Rawnie and this video is all the information that I found out about synthetic dreadlocks. I'm going to write all the tabs in the description box for the different parts of this video. Something really exciting happened. I sent my synthetic dreadlocks to Elise, one of my favourite YouTubers. I think her second name is Buch, that's how it's spelled. I'm not sure if she's ever said it, but I think it's Buch. And yeah, I'm very excited about this. It was so strange to see my dreads in her video. She also directed a lot of you to me, asking for information, things like that. So I decided to do a video replying to her video, putting them in and like saying she doesn't really know about synthetic dreadlocks, she's just trying them in, doing it as a former dreadhead, trying them out. I understand that synthetic dreads are not for everybody, but I am so not into commitment. I changed my style so much, like I looked completely different this time last year. So synthetic dreadlocks have always been the answer for me. They've been so good. So yeah, that's the reason that I sent them to her. I knew that she was missing a dread, so I thought she's trying to give her hair a rest. Synthetic dreadlocks, she might like them, she might not, she might. It's worth a try. She's one of my favourite YouTubers, so I don't mind. I just wanted to put that out there. So you can make dreads yourself with your 50-inch or Kaneka-Long hair. Tie a knot at the top, back comb it, twist it, steam it. You can buy the twisted type of dreads, double-ended, like these. You can make them just like normal dreads, but with a loop. You can buy these from the shops. These are quite cool. I had these in once. I've also got some blonde of these as well. You can get them thinner and thicker. Okay, so there's many different ways to install dreads. The video that I did is about how to install them in my method, because one of the main reasons I didn't like dreadlocks and I didn't get on with them is because you could see the hair wrapped around it, and it's only recently that I've started doing it this method. And I feel like they just look better, like more natural. You don't have the hair wrapped around them. You can watch my other video for that. I'll show you how to take it out. So you can feel where the plait is. So I just pulled the plait like that. And your hair's really nice underneath. It's really soft. I'll take the plait out. Out and it just pulls out. I'm going to show you the other methods that you can do. I'm going to do it with the blonde dread so you can see it better. With this one you split it into two, put one side in, and there is two ways that I found, and you can just plait it using this as one of them. I think this is the way that I had my dreads with the roots in, because it blended really well with my brown, because the brown was exactly the same hair colour as my hair colour. But I don't like how you can see it, and like my ends are blonde and you can still see it, if you get what I mean. And even when it's the same colour, you can still see this going around and you end up with like these bits. And when you put a bobble in as well, like you've obviously got your bobble, you can put a bead there, but then you can see that this looks different to this. And it just bugs me. So yeah, that's one of the methods and the reasons that I don't use that method. Okay, so the other method is in two again, and it's on one. You plait around it for this one. So like, you twist it. It's hard to do it on your own hair, especially when you can't see. Around it like that. And then it all ends up at the top. Okay, so you can see it forming now. But the thing that bugs me is this here, and you can see it. It bugs me to death. I found that I can just care for my dreads as if it's my normal hair. The only difference is I put them in and out about once every month. I try and do it so I'm not doing them all at once because it's very tedious and it takes a while. So I try and, like, if one's loose, I'll do it, I'll re-put it in. It is good to take them all out and give your hair a very good wash. Give it a good brush. Just, yeah, I like to give my hair a break because I'm trying to keep it as healthy as possible. I just use normal shampoos, normal conditioners. I actually wash it a little different now. I used to just wash it all as one, but at the minute I'll wash it all one time, and then a couple of days later I'll wash just the top part, because I don't like to keep these wet for too long. You can't really dry them with a hairdryer because it might get too hot and melt a little, seeing as they are synthetic. You can't use heat on them and things like that, so I try not to get them wet as much as possible, especially because I go swimming, so they're wet a lot anyway, and it's not good. They just smell a little, yeah. You cannot dye synthetic hair. I've tried, but it doesn't work. You can, if it's like blonde or white hair, you can like put synthetic dyes on it, like fabric dyes and things like that, or Sharpie or stuff like that. But you can't dye things lighter, which is a pain. I've just started making some blonde ones mixed with ginger. I'm trying to incorporate more blonde into my hair. So that's annoying because you just have to remake them. But that's one of the main cons of it, really, that you can't dye it. It bugs me because I dye my hair a lot. That's why I've got so many different sets of dreads. It's very annoying. I think I've included everything in a very waffly way. I hope it's been very informative, and I hope you enjoyed it. If I think of anything else, I will put it in another video. But yeah, don't take this as gospel. This is what I found works best for me personally. It might be different for someone else. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I feel awkward. I don't know how to end this. Bye. I don't know. Okay, bye.